Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video with me, James, here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with taking a slow walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there, once again we'll go through some of the major talking points and features. So as you can see, this vehicle is finished in the exquisite Estoril blue, and alongside that we've fitted the vehicle with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, it features a wide array of optional extras, the biggest of those being the Msport Plus pack. So included in that, we do of course get the much larger and improved M brakes, front and rear, privacy glass on the rear windows, the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, and the very nice heated black Dakota leather seats in the front. So at the front of the car, we've got a 2017 17 plate 3 Series, so it is a facelift model. Alongside that, the vehicle has the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, which are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and all the way around on this vehicle they have got the Pirelli P0 tyres, which are in a fantastic condition. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the satin side vinyls, Mperformance decals, and of course a very nice addition which matches with our exterior colour, the gloss black sidebars. So I'll take you in for a quick glance at the interior, where as you can see that very nice black Dakota leather working with the exterior colour very nicely. There is of course that Harman Kardon surround sound, which is always a very sought after option. This is, as I've mentioned, the 320D. It is a 6-speed manual vehicle and comes with a very nice 190 brake horsepower. In the rear you'll find a Isofix 3-seat arrangement with a centerfold armrest, alongside of course having the Msport black headlining. And again, I'll just show off how nice these alloy wheels and how well presented they are before we move around to the rear of the car to again show off a high gloss rear diffuser and a satin rear boot spoiler. As you can see, an exceptionally large boot space on the 3 Series saloon, along with the genuine BMW floor mats that will accompany the vehicle as well. So now we shut that down, we'll move around to the other side of the vehicle, where again I'll just show you how well presented this vehicle is and just how well these two colours do work together. And again, take one last little look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside to finish off by showing you just how much technology is packed into this very nice 3 Series. So again, another nice option on the inside of this vehicle is the professional wide navigation and media screen, which of course houses everything including your navigation, all of the media requirements such as DAB, Bluetooth audio, USB, and of course AUX. We've got Bluetooth for both telephone and of course audio, as I've mentioned. And being a 2017 17 plate vehicle, it is the facelifted iDrive, which just does look a little bit nicer on the eye. And if we go over to my vehicle, we'll check out the vehicle service status of the car, where as you can see there, everything is highlighted in green, which means everything is okay for plenty of time. And as you can see, the engine oil is not due a change for 7,000 miles, and going down, the front brake pads are not due for 60,000, and it is the same story for the rear brake pads. The vehicle itself has covered 59,000 miles. We do of course have this very nice multi-function Msport steering wheel, which comes with the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. Alongside that we've got the high beam assist, which is controlled just using this little button here, which will of course toggle the low to high beam for you. And of course not forgetting the dual climate control, which is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. And as I've mentioned at the very start, it is of course that lovely 6-speed manual vehicle. And unlike a lot of other manufacturers, I still find that BMW do know how to make a manual gearbox. And of course, I'm sure if you're a keen driving enthusiast, you will enjoy having that manual gearbox. Or even if you just still prefer a manual over an automatic, you will thoroughly enjoy owning this vehicle. And I'm sure you will agree, it looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, as always, down below in the description, you will of course find all of the relative contact information and links to this vehicle on our website, where of course you can have checked out further regards to prices and finance options as well. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care. Most of all, we do of course hope to see you very, very soon here at your next car. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Goodbye.